Hi everyone! If your Telegram photos and videos are not saving on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's go! First, open your settings and tap on your profile name at the top of the screen. Now go to iCloud and tap on Save to iCloud. Tap on this See All. Now scroll down and make sure that Telegram is enabled. Next, let's go back to the settings menu. This time you need to go to General and scroll down to Background App Refresh and make sure this feature is enabled for Telegram as well. Now we are done in the system settings and let's go to the Telegram application to set up auto download. Now go to Settings, Data and Storage, Reset Auto Download Settings, Reset, and go to Using Cellular. Now make sure that the feature is enabled, and if you need, make your adjustments for each type of media. You can tap on Photos, for example, and disable or enable saving from contacts, group chats, channels, and so on. Do this for each content type. Now let's go back, and if you need also to save your content to Photos, enable this feature. Also for each type of content, set maximum video size, add exceptions. Now let's go back to chats. Now go to any chat where you have sent or received photos. Let's say this one. Tap on any photo or video. Tap on the share icon at the bottom left. And now do two things. First, tap on Save Image. Allow full access. And tap on the icon once again. Now tap on this share icon at the top right of the pop-up and scroll down to Save to Files. And try to save this file somewhere, let's say in my phone, in Downloads. Tap on Save. Now let's close Telegram application and go to Files. This is Downloads on my phone. Our file is here. Now let's close Files and go to Photos. And our file is here as well. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.